Hello everyone. I'm here today to ask you a very important question. Are you under a lot of stress because of your current career situation? Does it become difficult at times to sleep at night because of that continuous string of thoughts like what I'm going to do next? How's my future going to be? What do people think about me and my career choices? Well, let me tell you. The pandemic that we all are facing is causing a lot of stress and anxiety amongst us. And it is very important to have a positive mindset right now to overcome this stress. So hi, I'm Mukta and I'm here to tell you 3 important tips as in how you can overcome this stress and frustration related to your career with a positive mindset. So tip number 1, it's okay to make mistakes. A lot of us are running behind perfection. Tell me one thing. What is perfection? Who defined perfection? Life is a chaos. Embrace it. Live it. Let loose. Trust me. Once you accept that it's okay to fail, it's okay to make mistakes, you'll have this whole new perspective to look at things. You'll start looking at the positive side, the good things, the new opportunities that you had been missing till now because you were focusing on the unnecessary part of not making mistakes, wherein till now it was okay to make mistakes. My mentor Rajiv Talreja always says, do it, screw it, redo it. Do you understand? It's okay to take risk. Even if you mess up, you have opportunities to again redo it and succeed. So always remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Tip number 2, you always have a choice. George Eliot has said this very beautifully. It's never too late to be what you might have been. This means that if you're unhappy or not satisfied with certain choices that you made for yourself earlier, or the situation that you are in right now, or the career path that you have chose for yourself, you can always reverse your choices. You have that choice. You can never be stuck in a position where you're unhappy or you're not satisfied. It's you that can free yourself or can be stuck in that position. You and your mind has to accept that you have this choice to make the change. So always remember, it's never too late. You always have a choice to make any changes that you want at any stage in your life. Tip number 3, and the most important one. It's okay to be in a phase where you say, I don't know. Don't be hard on yourself. It's absolutely fine and normal to not to know what lies ahead of you, to not to know how your future is going to be like. And you know why it's normal? Because you get opportunity to explore. Opportunity to explore your potential, your choices, to make mistakes, to fail and to succeed and to find your passion. Many times people also tell me that Mukta, I don't want to explore. I'm already doing something that I love, but I'm still facing that stressful time at work. At such times we forget that even though we are taking up a career where our interest lies, we forget to upgrade ourselves. We have to continuously upgrade our knowledge and our skills with the market demand. And that's how we can survive, and that's how we can proceed and succeed in our life throughout. So these were the 3 tips. Now, I would like you all to ask yourselves these 3 questions. First, what am I good at? Second, what do people tell me I am good at? And third, what is holding me back? Once you can answer yourself these 3 questions, you will feel highly liberated because you'll know your purpose, you'll know your direction, you'll know what makes you happy. Now, you can do this exploration on your own, or you can take help of a career counselor. A career counselor, through scientific methods and through psychometric analysis, helps you understand your personality, your career interest, your values, your motivations, and mapping all these together tells you the most suitable career choices for you, and not only that, but also gives you a roadmap on how to achieve that choice. So if you feel you need help of a career counselor, please log into my website as given below, theeduscope.com, and there's also my email ID mentioned, support@theeduscope.com, where you can get in contact with me directly. Till then, stay home, stay safe.